I've been visiting professional beauty conferences and events for many years now, and over the past few years I've been lucky enough to be asked to be a speaker several times, but this year I wanted to do something a bit bigger. The business skills seminars that have been going on at the professional beauty events are great to get an overview of a topic or to pick up some new ideas or tips, but I just felt there was a demand for something in between a 45-minute seminar on a subject and a full day training session, which obviously takes an owner or a manager out of the salon or the clinic for a full day. And these seem to be the only kind of two options that are available generally. Pro Beauty North seemed like the ideal opportunity to try something brand new. So we've selected 3 key areas of running a successful beauty business that keep coming up again and again as topics that salon owners want more help with. These are how to correctly price your treatments, how to properly set up and use an email marketing campaign so that it doesn't take up all your time, and the best quick, simple wins to boost business and bring in clients that really delivers results. So I've teamed up with Professional Beauty this year to deliver 6 workshops, 3 on the Sunday and the same 3 on the Monday, covering these specific areas. My goal for the people who attend is not simply to get an overview of the topic, but to really get some clarity, to get answers for their specific questions relating to their own business, and ultimately leave the room on the day with a plan that they can put in place. Now, these are going to be 90-minute, fairly intensive sessions with a teaching element plus a practical element, so the business owners that attend will be actively involved. So this really isn't somewhere to come and just have a sit down and relax during the event. My hope is that the people will bring their laptops, bring their notebooks, bring their questions and their challenges, and we'll get some real work done on their businesses in the room on the day. Yeah, this does mean that the workshops are going to be much smaller than the typical seminars, and to make sure only salon owners, managers that are serious about getting results attend, we've set the price a little bit higher, but it's still incredible value for money on the day. I'm really looking forward to helping as many salon owners as possible this year, and Professional Beauty North just seemed like a great place to do that, and I'm really looking forward to getting them the results that they want.